Good morning, guys. I was just talking to baby Jackson, and I'm going to see if he'll do it on the camera.
Papa's awake. Papa's closing his eyes and go to sleep, and Mommy closed the door so he would go to sleep.
He was asleep as my mommy closed the door. I didn't just close the door. Okay, baby Jackson, you ready?
Yes.
You say dada. Can you say dada? Normally he'll say it. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? He said, give me the camera. Can you say mama?
You say Mama.
You're not gonna do it? Can you say dada? Dada.
I don't see baby
Can
Dada.
you say mama? Mama. Normally he shakes his head no. He's not doing it. We're all loaded up. Gonna go get some stuff for Charlie Girl's birthday party. You're gonna be 3. The movie's playing. They're entertained. Here we go. Charlie, what are you doing? Are you going potty in the parking lot? Yeah, we're at Sam's Club. Charlie said she needed a potty, so what we're doing. Gotta do what we gotta do, huh? We at the car wash. Are we at the car wash, Bubba?
It's dark.
Yeah, it is dark. Dark and loud. You tell us, Bubba man. We made it back from the stores. We had lunch, took naps, and I'm gonna see if I can get Charlie to come back. Charlie, can you come here? I don't want you guys to see until she turns around. You guys ready? Okay, turn around and we'll go change you. Okay, go ahead. That is a very full diaper. We are having our afternoon snack, and look at how precious this is. Yeah, Bubba already ate his. Yeah, Bubba already ate his, and then Charlie's feeding him. That's so nice.
It's Best Buy.
Sharing your snack. Yeah. Look at the chocolate mouth. So sillies. And then you can.
Look at Bubba sweeping.
You help, Mama?
Bubba, let me see you sweep the floor. Oh yeah.
That's a really good job.
Oh. You're encouraging them.
Pretty good.
Try. Let's show me your cotton candy. Where's your cotton candy? What did we get cotton candy for?
My birthday.
And how old are you gonna be on your birthday?
2.
No, not 2.
3.
Yes, 3. Can you show me? How many fingers is that? How many fingers?
That's pretty tricky, but she can do it. Remember,
3.
get your thumb to hold down your pinky.
You're gonna be free. This many. What do you call this dinner, Mommy?
Croissant taco bake, I think.
Oh.
Pretty yum.
Oh, just like on TV, you gotta show us how you plate it. How you plate the entree.
And
Oh,
then pick it up with the fork. Well, you're missing
What?
the whole plate.
what an exquisite entree.
Yes. On our paper plates.
Look at that cutting motion.
Why would you do it then? Don't be a stinker about it. Don't help me.
What's that food channel? The Food Network. They're probably gonna take this episode.
Yep. Probably have me on that show. Probably have my own show. Shoot. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Beautiful.
That's yours. Yeah, so funny.
Potato.
Laughing at our own jokes.
It was funny.
This was funny.
Mommy said that.
Did you see that?
Let me see.
Jackson, you still got your rack
Baby Jackson. Baby Jackson.
You haven't seen this.
Let me see your tricks. Whoa!
Did you see that?
I saw it.
Just hold it down, Charlie.
You don't have to bounce it.
Hold it down, but keep your foot down. There you go, there you go, there you go. Woo! Cruising around town. You gotta turn it. You don't want to hit the trees. You gotta turn it, Charlie. You gotta turn the wheel. That's so fun. Is that your garage?
You're driving just like Mommy and Daddy.
Woo! I think you're convertible. You're like Sashi now.
Hey, you got it easy. I had to do it with a stick last year. And she couldn't touch it. She couldn't touch it. Yay! Hi!
That is so cool.
We're just waiting for it to get bigger.
Get all the junk over there. Well, today was a fun day.
Pretty fun.
Yeah, we had a little mini birthday party with Sashi and Mr. Mark for Charlie's birthday, and she got a new car. And
Yep.
and tonight, when the kids went to bed, we've been looking at houses.
New house
Yes, getting very exciting.
with a deer.
Yes. You want deer. I want a nice bathroom.
Yep.
But we're finding a lot with both things that we want. So
In the country.
Yep, in the country. So we'll have to keep y'all updated.
Yep.
Maybe we'll have to show like inside houses when we go look at
Should we show the two that we're looking at?
them. No. I think if we go there, we should show it. Keep them on edge.
Okay.
One is like a mansion for us. You don't have me in the frame.
Oops.
You're so concerned yourself.
Well, they're both in the country, but one of them is right next to a state park where you're not allowed to deer hunt, which means there would be lots of deer living there.
And it's like a cabin thing.
So that's a plus.
So it's like vacation all
Shoot
the time.
deer in my yard.
And shoot deer.
That's really all I care about is shooting deer in my yard.
The other one's like a little less acreage, but like a mansion. It's probably not like a mansion, but it's a mansion to us. You have me out of the frame again.
Yeah.
Do you want me just to get out of the frame for you?
No, it's alright.
Really. But we hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give us a thumbs up and head over to our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you later.